Namaste students. Welcome back in the lecture of Standard 8. This is the lecture number 1 of poem number 1. So as you know that we are going to start poem number 1 in this lecture. So this time the poem is The Ant and Cricket. So you will have one question in your mind that, ma'am, what is meaning of cricket? So I'm not going to talk about the cricket which is being played in the ground, right? 11 players are coming and they are doing batting and bowling and wicket keeping and somewhat, right? Today we are going to discuss an insect which name is cricket, right? So you will think that ma'am, we haven't seen cricket, right? The insect cricket. So don't worry. In this lecture, I'm going to show you the picture of cricket, and I'm let you hear the sound of cricket. Now the second insect in the poem is ant. Almost we have seen ant, right? It can be found in our house. If you want to just try something, that at night you just take some sugar and put out of your house, right, on land. Next day till evening you will find some ants are just coming there and they are just fetching this sugar to their homes, right? So basically we are finding that ants are very hard working, because ants are looking very tiny, but then too they are just preparing their food by themselves, right? So in this poem also we are going to have these kind of concepts only. Now let's talk something about cricket, right? Cricket is an insect which can be heard generally at night, right? Cricket love to sing, right? In these kind of things which is given in the poem, right? Cricket loves to sing. So always we are finding that at night we are able to hear some voice. Which kind of voice is this? Yes, I'm going to we are going to have that sound in this lecture. Fine. So first of all, let me show you the ant. Obviously we are having ant of two colors, one of red, one of black. So both the ant's color and images, pictures, I'll show you in this lecture. So here beside me you can see the image of ant, right? So how ant look like, let me do zoom off it, so you will find that how ant, right? In this picture we have seen that how they are carrying their food, right? So in this poem it has been said that ants are very hard working. Whenever it is a spring season, it is a season to collect their food. So in this season they are collecting. Ants are telling to cricket also that this is the spring season, this is the season in which you can collect your food, because whenever winter season will come, obviously there will be snowfall, there will be raining outside. So in that season they cannot go out, right, for searching food. So obviously how we are having storage of food, right? So we are having we are having the bucket of wheat, we are having same bucket of rice. So how we are knowing how to store it? Why we are doing it? Because particular few things are coming seasonal, right? Because we cannot find those particular things at whole year, right? Best example I can give you that in summer season your mother is just making pickles. Why she is preparing in summer only? Because we know that pickles, in that we are using mangoes, right? So mangoes we cannot find for whole year, so we are just storing, right? We are having storage of pickle in our house. So like the same way, let's come back to the pavilion. It means that here you have seen the picture of ant. Now Second, I'm going to show you the image of cricket, right? Image of cricket, how it look like. Right, one thing I can give you surety that after observing picture of cricket, you will see that, man, this we have seen, right? So cricket is very common, right? It can be found in anyone's house, but we are not aware of that, how it is look like, how, right, this insect only can be called as a cricket. So this is what is cricket that you can see in the picture right beside me. You can see that in picture that how cricket look like. So next picture also I'm going to show you, because it would be very interesting for you to see the picture, the image of cricket. So I think you are finding this lecture very interesting, that ma'am, really, that by this you can have better clarification why I have selected this way of explaining. Because by this, if we are able to observe something, if you will watch, then if you listen, then if you understand, so your concept clearing will be good. So got it? How cricket, an insect, look like. Now in next, I'm going to, it means we are going to have the sound of cricket, how it can be heard. So here is the sound. Calm down. Listen it quietly. Are you able to hear something? Yes, obviously. Then you can hear is the sound of cricket. Is the sound of cricket, right? So I hope that the concept clearing, what is meaning of cricket, how it is look like, and how we can hear it, so that we have seen. Now let's something talk about the poem, regarding what the poem is. So poem tells to us that ants are very hardworking, crickets loves to sing. That's why in the season of spring, cricket and the friends, it means the whole family, here we have to talk about only cricket. So cricket is not collecting food. And as we have discussed, in winter season, insects cannot go out. So what they have to do? Whatever they have stored, whatever they are having storage of food, from that only they have to use. So obviously in spring season, who collected food? Ants have collected food. Who was only busy in singing? Cricket was only busy in singing, right? So now the winter season is coming and cricket is not having any kind of storage or storage of food. So what he will do? Obviously, if anyone is not having storage of food and hungry, starvations, so what is mean by that? Obviously, the person or an insect can live for 1 day, 2 day, 3rd day, 4th day, 5 day. But after that, if not getting food, then obviously person or insect or animal or bird cannot live. So like the same thing is happening with cricket. He is not having any kind of storage of food. As it is a winter, a lot of snowfall is there, so he cannot go out for the food. Now only one option is remaining, that is to go to ant and ask for food, right? This is what we can call it is a begging. Better word is borrowing, right? So cricket is going to ant and he is telling that please lend me some food. whenever it will be the summer season or spring season, I will give it back to you, right? So at that time, ants are telling that we never borrow, we never lend. It means we are not a creature like that we want to borrow or we want to lend. Whenever it was a season for collecting food, then with self hard working only, we have to do this work, right? We don't have to depend on others, that in particular circumstances others will help out, and by that we can live our life. So this is totally based on a concept. Then whatever the work should be done in particular time, that we have to do. If we will not do the same, then we have to be ready with the particular situations, circumstances, consequences. The same thing is happening with cricket, that cricket is also facing the same problem, that in spring season he hasn't collected food, he hasn't gathered food, and now what he will do? Now in end of a poem, ants are very strong in their decision that we are not going to lend you any kind of food, because they were knowing that previously one time cricket had came. So at that time ants have lent. After the second time, third time, then it would be the habit of cricket that he don't want to do hard work in the spring season. He want to dance, he want to enjoy, he want to sing. And whenever it is a season of winter and he cannot go out for searching of food, he cannot find food, at that time they are going to ant. It is obviously it is not good, and ants will not like. So ants are not giving food to cricket. Now in end of poem, poet is telling to us, what it is telling to us, that you can find cricket of 4-legged or 2-legged. Here the comparison has been made because the same characteristics we can find in human being also. That whenever it is a season, whenever it is a time to do hard work, so human being, particular human being are not doing that. And whenever they are not finding anything where they cannot walk out, where they cannot go out, at that time they are just finding person, right, who can lend some facilities or money or food or whatever the thing we are talking about, right? So this is very important poem by concept. Whenever it is a time of hard working, we have to put our 100% efforts, right? And by that, in later life, obviously we will have the better life. So this we have to understand by this poem. This we have to learn from the ants, right? That we have to be very hardworking. If we will do hardworking, then definitely our later life will be good, right? So till time, goodbye, take care, have a nice day, thank you.
आभार।